Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. This is only going to be a short video just to show you my display cases in the one room of the house that I'm allowed to display them. There we go. I've had a few people ask me what I do with my restorations when they're done. So you can see they're all here in this. This is our dining room. So it's not very big. There you go. It's my funky wallpaper. Right, let's go to the first cabinet then. Okay, we'll have a quick look. Excuse the horrible face and looking back at you. So we'll have a look, see if I can get a bit closer. There you go. The colours might be bouncing all over. We'll just go browse through the shelves. You can have a look. I've been on YouTube doing these for 4 years now. So you can see 4 years progress. Yeah, so like I say, I won't keep you long because I know you've got things to do. People to see. I'm not going to get them all out individually, there's too many. It takes me long enough to clean all these when it comes cleaning time. Because these cabinets are okay, but they're not air sealed. So they get dust in them. Yeah, the second row. You probably recognise some of these from the channel. They're quite tightly packed in here. Like I say, it's only a small room. We only live in a small bungalow. So we've only got four rooms in total. Yeah, the old Volkswagens are there, and the old lorries. I'll just pan twice over each shelf. There you go, and then we go down the next shelf. There we go. Yeah. Well, it's certainly been an interesting 4 years. And I've met some really nice people through the channel. And keep in contact now on a regular basis, which is fantastic. It's nice to have like-minded people. Not just diecast as well, the other modelling part of the modelling community, which is the plastic cars, the plastic scale modelling guys. I know a few who watch my channel. You just go down on one knee. Oh no, I'm not praying, I'm just trying to get down. It's a bit tight in here. Yeah, so yeah, met some really nice guys who do the plastic modelling, who's taught me a lot, because I do a bit of scale modelling myself. So when I get the time, unfortunately, diecast takes up a lot of my time. Putting a video out every week is quite time consuming. I have to plan my month out very carefully, which I enjoy doing anyway, so why not? What else would I be doing in my retirement? There we go. Yeah. I picked these display cabinets up quite a long while ago now. Second hand. I have to put new shelves in though. Excuse me, I'll get down on the other knee. Oh. Yep. There we go. The old transits. Got a few more of them to do yet. And we're going down now on the flipping deck now. Right, there we go. I'll pan back a bit. There you go. Up a bit easier. Yeah, I thought it was just a bit impromptu. I was just in there, just had a bit of dinner, and I was looking around. I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a quick video. Because, like I say, one or two friends of the channel have asked me what I do with my stuff when it's done. So now you can see, and I tell you what, you'll see now that I'm rapidly running out of room. Rapidly running out of room. It's right at the bottom here now, so you won't see much underneath here. Try and keep it all in shot if I can. That one there, that blue one next to Starship Enterprise, the reason that's not been restored is that is a Dinky Super Toys car transporter, but it's the 6 rivet version, which means it's got the 3 rivets both sides. Most of them were only 4. This is 6. So that's not getting touched. I've got another one to restore, so yeah. There you go. Right, we'll move over to the other cabinet if I can get off the floor. The other cabinet is a single cabinet, and it's a little bit, so we'll get a distance shot. There's an awful lot in there. I had a bit of a scare the other week. One of the dogs came in and knocked the cabinet, and this shelf here, the back of it, dropped off its pins. Luckily, it didn't drop forward, it dropped backwards, and they were just resting. I tilted, and I thought, oh no. And that was a scary change of pants moment, I must admit. Anyway, we'll move over. I'll have a quick look at these up here. This is what I do when I get a minute of an evening time when there's rubbish on the telly. I'm not interested in telly. Do these. My father's painting. He was quite a good artist in his time. Yep. Make our way up to the other cabinet now. That cannon, we had great fun with the dogs with that. They love that. These are fun to do, get a chance to do one. Keeps your fingers nimble. Right, here we go, into the other cabinet. This is nearest the window now, so you might not see much. There we go. There's the all the trucks and lorries. Car transporter. There. Okay, we go down. Go down, it's like the black hole of coal cutter further down here. We go down again. As you can see, they're tightly packed in here. They really are. Really are. I'll get down again on one leg. Oh dear, don't like this old age club, I don't like it at all. Breakdown trucks, coal truck, snow plough, comma, breakdowns, combines. Now we're getting darker now. Coca-Cola truck, TK, right place. Hello, mate, started his New Year celebrations a bit early, yeah? Flippin' heck, you can't trust anybody, can you? Knocking off early. Giraffes are okay. There's a big Leyland. Horse box and such. There you go. And then right at the bottom, there's got a junk in the corner. Ignore them. They're good coming out soon because I need space. There's the old hard hander. Yeah, I'll put those bits and pieces at the back there in there because they need to come out. They're too good to restore, but I need somewhere to put them. Okay. There's a couple of scale models in here. Eggplane. There's a MiG. Tamiya Harrier. Buccaneer. And down, some really old books here. And down the bottom here, some 164s that I've done. That there is about a World War II German bomber. That was bequeathed to me by my grandfather's brother. There you go. Found that. Got it off a crash plane. I think it might have been a Dornier, not sure. Yeah, small scale group builds. Aston, Jaguar. There you go. That's about it, fellas. I'm afraid. Let me just get back up again. Excuse the mess. And this is the traction engine. This one here. It's quite large. Weighs a flipping ton. My father made this many moons ago, over 30 years ago, and it does all work. It needs a replacement belt. I've got the belt, but it just needs a replacement one on there, on that flywheel. It goes from there to there, and it all spins around. Anyway, panning back. Right, I would just like to wish everyone a happy new year and enjoy your festivities. Okie doke, and I'll see you all with the restoration on Wednesday. Bye for now.